Text, LG washer.
Troubleshooting an IE error code on an LG washer.
An LG washer and dryer in a laundry room. A man tosses clothes into the washer, then presses a button. Text, intro, troubleshooting, more info.
LG makes it easy to diagnose problems with your washer, should you run into any issues.
The washer drum rotates. On the LED display, a code reads PE, then E6.
If an issue occurs, the washer is programmed to communicate diagnostic messages, displayed as codes that can assist you or a technician in getting the unit back to optimum performance. If you are seeing an IE error code on your LG washer's display panel, this indicates that the washer was unable to fill with water.
A hand unplugs the cord.
The first thing to do is unplug the machine from the power outlet.
Turns the levers of the water outlet valves. A red graphic depicts a diagonal line through a circle. An icicle hangs below a hose.
Then check if the home water outlet valves to the machine are closed, or the water is cut off, or the water hose is frozen.
2 pressure gauges on pipes.
If the valves are open and the water is running, check if the water pressure is weak.
A man adjusts the hose.
If the water pressure is just right, check how far the drain hose is installed in the standpipe.
The hose in the standpipe.
The drain hose should not be any deeper than 4 inches into the pipe. If the hose is deeper than 4 inches, reset it in the standpipe and secure it with a zip tie to make sure it is 4 inches or less.
Removes a filter with needle nose pliers.
Lastly, check if the water supply inlet filters on the washer are clogged. To do this, turn off the home water outlet valves, then unscrew the hoses from the inlet valves on the back of the washer. Remove the filters from the valves using needle nose pliers or a similar tool. If a filter is clogged, clean it under running water with a small brush, such as a toothbrush. Then place it back into the inlet valve.
The IE on the LED disappears.
Reconnect the detached hose and see if the error message is gone.
The washer drum rotates. A service technician with a man next to the washer.
If you attempt to run a wash cycle and the issue remains, the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page.
lg.com/support. Logos for Twitter, Facebook, and icons for chat, email, and telephone.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional